Incoming device is an iPad Air first generation, silver in color. The rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. The model number for this one is A1474. Taking a look at the home button, power button, volume buttons. Volume up button does look like it is a little bit wedged. And then the volume switch is working smoothly. Taking a look at the actual screen of the device, it does look like, even though there is a fragments missing from the upper left-hand quadrant of the device, it does look like the touch is working in a 6-point digitizer test. It is at 78%. It does look like it is a Wi-Fi only iPad, but we are able to test the rear camera. The front camera is working. We'll go ahead and take a look at the parts cost and see how much it is.